Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education. God does not play dice with the universe. The value of education is not the learning of many facts, but the training of the mind to think. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. The secret to creativity is knowing how to hide your sources. Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. The only source of knowledge is experience. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. The distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. The whole of science is nothing more than a refinement of everyday thinking. The important thing is to never stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence. A table, a chair, a bowl of fruit, and a violin. What else does a man need to be happy? When I am working on a problem, I never think about beauty, only about how to solve the problem. The secret to creativity is knowing how to hide your sources. I believe in intuition and inspiration. Imagination is more important than knowledge. The value of a college education is not the learning of many facts, but the training of the mind to think. Theories should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. The difference between genius and stupidity is that genius has its limits. A new idea comes suddenly and in a rather intuitive way. I never think of the future, it comes soon enough. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. The only thing that I was fit for was to be a theoretical physicist. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. The faster you go, the shorter you are.